Take on is a phrasal verb with a number of meanings. This phrasal verb can mean to accept a particular task, amount of work, or responsibility. The manager delegates another task to the team. I don't know how we're going to get all of this finished. We've taken on too much. The students begin a new project towards the end of the semester. I know it benefits our end of year credits, but I didn't think we'd have to take on a new project before the holidays. A new client calls a lawyer, inquiring about availability. I'm sorry, I've got a number of cases pending and can't take on any new clients until I get through this backlog. To take on someone can also mean to hire someone or to employ someone. Two recruiters discuss an interviewee who has just left. I believe she'll be a huge success. She reminds me of a younger me. I agree. We should let the manager know how good she is. He's bound to take her on. An employee hasn't been successful after a 3-month trial. The supervisor asks, "Remind me again why we took Jessica on?" A staff member thinks one of the candidates for a role was very good. I really hope the boss takes her on. She seems lovely. Take on can also mean to compete against an adversary or an opponent. New business owners discuss their future. I think we can easily compete against any competition we take on in the current market. Our product is very strong. A boxer is asked a question at the press conference before the big fight. So tell us, how do you feel about taking on the world heavyweight champion? The race for promotion came down to 2 candidates. One candidate is aggressively pursuing the role. I like Charlie, but when it comes to a challenge, I'll take on anybody to get where I want to be. Take on can also mean to begin to have a characteristic or appearance of something or someone. Staff are discussing the disciplinary they received from their manager after being caught slacking off. His voice took on a tone I haven't heard him use before. The boy left his bicycle outside over a few rainy days. It didn't take long for my bicycle chain to take on an old rusty look because of the rain. An athlete's personality changes when he plays. I love Tony until he plays sports. He takes on such a competitive personality when he plays. So, to sum it up, take on can mean to undertake something, like I took on more responsibility because I wanted to make a good impression. Or to hire, like the shops usually take on extra staff over the Christmas period. And to compete against an adversary or an opponent, like after I won the snooker competition, I felt like I could take on the world. Or begin to have a characteristic or appearance of something or someone, like the little girl was frightened of her doll as it took on a scary appearance in the dark. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.